What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account in your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to your Instagram account. After going to Instagram account, what you need to do, you have to click on your profile icon. Then you have to go to your profile. After going to profile, what you need to do, you have to click on the three dot bar icon in the top right corner. After clicking on this, you are on the settings option. After going to settings option, you have to click on a option called accounts center. You have to click on this option. After clicking on this, you have to click on an option called personal details. Just like this, you have to click on this. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account on your mobile phone. So after going to this option, you have to click on account ownership and control in the third option, just like this. You have to click on this. Then you have to click on delay deactivation or deletion, just like this. After that, if you have multiple Instagram account, they will show you here. I have just one. You have to click. Then I am going to click on this. You have to click on the account that you want to deactivate temporarily. After clicking on it, you will land a page just like this. Then you have to click a option called deactivate account. You have to click it very carefully because this is one option is delete account and one option is deactivate account. If you click on delete account, then your account will be deleted permanently. You can't bring it back. And if you want to deactivate it temporarily, you have to click on this option just like this. Then you have to click on continue. After that, you have to put your Instagram password here, and then after that you have to click on continue. Then your account will be deactivate temporarily. Then if you want to reactivate your account, what you need to do, you have to put your email and password again on Instagram. Then you can reactivate and log in into your Instagram account again, just like this. So this is how you can deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.